Hi everybody, today I'm going to be giving the Too Faced Better Than Chocolate palette a second chance. I already have one video up. I did a mini review, swatch video, and eyeshadow tutorial, and today I'm just going to be doing a regular eyeshadow tutorial to really see if I like this palette. Spoiler alert, I do not. But let's get into it. So I'm using the shade Buttercream. This is a great transition color for me. It's a great tone. I have very fair skin, blah, and it just works well. So this color is nice. The quality, I'm telling you guys, the mattes in this palette aren't good. And Too Faced, I used to love their matte eyeshadows, but now I don't know what happened. Then I took Nice Buns and I just deepened up the look a little bit. This one was fine. I didn't have any problems. Blended out totally fine. And then here, I wanted, this palette isn't as cohesive as you guys think, okay? So I took the shade Skinny Dipped, and it's a really pretty copper color. Like, I think it's perfect for fall. Really pretty. I like it. It's not the easiest to work with. And I swatched it next to Sex and Candy, and on my hand, it looked really good. And then when I put it on my eye, I was like, I don't know what I was thinking. Like, look at this. Look how bad this looks. It's just atrocious. And that could be me, really, because bad color combo. But really, guys, this palette is just, you don't have a lot of similar colors to work with. So I put Skinny Dipped all over my lid, and then I deepened up the crease a little bit with brownie points. Honestly, I wanted to give up at this point, but I was like, I can't do it. I took some eyeliner, did a little wing to help this situation out. Like, look how bad it looks. The shades were not blending in with each other. The shimmers weren't blending in. It was just horrific. Horrible, I'm telling you. And the only reason I'm posting this is because I just want you guys to see how bad it is. So thank God for concealer. I'm using the Hourglass Airbrush concealer today. I just covered up my discoloration underneath my eyes, and then also the mess of eyeshadow. Cleaned it up, and thank God it looks decent. Like, my eyeshadow, it wasn't as good as it usually is, but it looked decent. I could have worn this out if I wanted to, but it was definitely very hard and difficult to blend everything out, guys. I'm not a fan of this new quality. I swear, if Too Faced is like, no, this is our regular eyeshadow quality, our regular eyeshadow formula, I'd be super shocked. It's just not the same. I used the green on the lower lash line just to give myself a little oomph, but this is the final look. Like I said, it doesn't look bad, but it's not good. It's not easy to use, and I'm just really disappointed in this palette, honestly. Like, I swear to you guys, it's very hard to match up these shades. It's not as easy as you think, and I just kind of feel like they rushed this palette. I'm not a fan of it. I would totally skip it if I were you. But yeah, that's all that I have to say. I'm sorry if this is a little negative, but I'm just being honest, and you guys know I love Too Faced, so it really hurts me to be saying these things. But anyway, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!